how to dispute a charge from Wish on a bank statement. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your wish.com, or you can get into the application version of it. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from there, you'll need to get into your order history to verify charges, right? So when you do log into your account, you can simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and in here, if you simply tap on order status, here you'll be able to view all of your order history. And then in here, like I said, verify the charges. From here, you can actually contact the Wish assistant under the customer service. If you get to the menu bar right here, you'll actually be able to get your customer support. If you simply tap on it, you'll be able to contact them. So in here, if no account match the dispute, charge directly online through your card provider. So what you're going to do is simply get into your bank portal, and then from there you can directly dispute the charge too. So if Wish cannot be the help, get help from your bank. I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out.